The ability to turn a vehicle's main engine off and still perform work is very desirable and often a necessity. To meet this need, Vanair is proud to introduce its PowerFlex family of engine-driven machines. Evolving from Vanair's very successful Air and Arc all-in-one power systems product line, the PowerFlex series is designed in a modular build to provide 2 or more forms of power combinations and is comprised of an air compressor, generator, and hydraulic output. The PowerFlex family consists of 4 diesel engine-fueled systems. These include the HPU, or Hydraulic Power Unit, which includes an alternator for DC power, the AE, or Air Compressor and Generator, the AH, or Air Compressor and Hydraulics, and the AEH, or Air Compressor, Generator, and Hydraulics. The remote control panel is the heart of the machine's capabilities. With its ease of use and flexible location of your choosing, this unique feature will save you time, increase safety, and gain valuable productivity. The HPU provides hydraulic power solutions with the truck engine off. Incorporated into this system is a hydraulic variable displacement piston pump. Unlike the competition, this allows you to use only the hydraulic requirements you need, which in turn reduces the horsepower for maximum fuel efficiency using variable engine speeds. With up to 13 GPM for aerial devices and hydraulic cranes, the HPU is equipped with 250 amps of 12-volt DC power output to operate a vehicle's strobe lights, rotating beacons, auxiliary work lights, communication equipment, and other auxiliary needs. In addition, the HPU provides auxiliary DC climate control capabilities. The AE, AH, and AEH are all equipped with a rotary screw air compressor, providing up to 40 CFM at 150 psi and producing the air on demand you deserve. The difference between the models is your ability to add or subtract components. The PowerFlex AE comes with a 6,800 watt AC generator, while the AH is equipped with a hydraulic pump, providing 13 GPM and up to 3,000 psi with an integrated hydraulic reservoir. The PowerFlex AEH comes with a rotary screw air compressor, AC generator, and hydraulic pump. The AE, AH, and AEH have the ability to operate a wide variety of air and electric tools as well as hydraulic capabilities, providing the versatility you demand. Combine all your power to run all your tools in one single unit. Compact enough to fit in the load space or on a side pack of your vehicle, the PowerFlex series saves you money, space, and weight, all with the truck engine off. Vanair's PowerFlex engine-driven machines are the robust solution to help meet EPA challenges, Tier 4 emission requirements, and other idling necessities with the vehicle's engine turned off. These flexible modular systems enable you to select only the functionality that best suits your needs and budget, helping save on fuel costs, increasing productivity, and extending the life of